Install. Advanced install. Export install. Choose a language. English. Country. What is US? I don't know. I'm from Europe. Locale. Fine. Configure the keyboard. Detect and mount installation media. Load installer components. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. I know you can be faster, faster, faster. Detect network hardware. Yeah, fine. Configure the network. Yeah, I've got the HCP. Yeah, it's fine. Attempting IPv6. No IPv6 for you yet. Yeah, no, no. Go, 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 go. Yes, we've got internet now. Blue screen of death? I can't believe it. Blue screen of death? No, not the blue screen of death. Okay, this one will be Docker Swarm 1. Docker Swarm 1, yes. Domain name. Home Lab, like usual. Setup users and passwords, of course. Allow login with root? Never. Full name of the new user? No name. Username? Let me be funny. Docker. Choose the password for the new user. It can be something. Yeah. What should I tell you? Configure the clock. Using NTP? Yes. Use the default one? Yes. Where do you want to the time zone? Blah blah blah. Do you want UTC or Madrid? Oh, Madrid is fine. Detect the disks. Partition the disks. Yes. Use entire disk. Yes. But don't use this. All in one. Yes. Do you want to use this swap? Swap? This is no swap. No. So we need to redo this one. Yes. So availables, creating partition, max. Boom. Extended? Fuck extended. Shit. BTRFS. Mount point? Yes. Default we'll handle later because the installer doesn't support the advanced thing that we want. These are extended for related. Label. Root. Make it bootable. Why not? Finish. Do you want to return? No, I don't want to return. I don't want swap. Write the changes to the disk. Yes. Okay. Install the base system. Go. It's installing. It's pretty damn fast considering that it is installing on an USB external disk, which is kind of like a cheap NVMe. Okay. Okay. Targeted. Remember, targeted. Configure the package manager. Yep. Scan extra? No. Use a network mirror? Yes. Protocol for file downloads? HTTP? Yes. Where? Spain. If I remember right, I think I was using UDC. That's yes. No, this one is from Andalusia. Use non-free firmware. I don't need it. Use non-free software. No, I don't need it. Use contrib software. No, I don't need it. Enable source repository. No, I don't need that. You need contrib if you install in Debian directly for the packages stuff. But if you're going to use as a Docker base OS using Docker with Kubernetes, then no, you don't need it. Security updates, yes. Backported software, we are not looking into that. And release updates, well, you could say that it's fine, but I'm not going to target those. I'm interested in Docker. Select and install software, yes. We only need SSH. Retrieving file. I thought it already installed the Linux kernel. I don't know. I think we are going to see it even in the later package install. Now it's building the init RAM FS, so this is why it stalls a little bit. Okay. So install security updates automatically. Yes. Participate. Yes. Standard system utilities. Whoa. That was awkward. I never saw it like that. Okay, let's go back. Configure the package manager. Yes. Would you like? No, I don't want. Would you like to use? Yes, I want. HTTP? Yes. From Spain? Yes. Use Chica. Use non-free? No. Use non-free? No. Use contrib? No. Enable? No. Okay, now apt is retrieving the files. Okay. So they want to this way? Yes. Select and install the software. Okay, now it's going to work. Install security updates? Yes. Oh, now it's bringing the files. Okay, we've got also Python installed. Yes. And the current CA certificates. That's good. Okay, what do you want, Debian? No, desktop. I want this, and this is good. Telnet? Well, maybe it's part of the standard base utilities. Do you know what's in the standard base utilities? No, I don't know. Can we skip that? Yes, we can skip that sometimes. Maybe all the time. Okay, install the group bootloader. Yes! Boot screen of death. Boot screen. Yeah. No, I don't have Windows installed. That's a virus. Install the group bootloader to your primary drive. Yes. Select the drive. Yes. Grub install. Update grub. Finish the installation. Setting out the user. Retrieving. Getting sudo package. Installing sudo package. Okay. Hardware. Retrieving files. No, I don't know what's installed. Oh, it's installing VMware things because I'm running on VMware Fusion. Yes. It's free now. Yes. Cool. Thank you, VMware. Are you going to use it as in production? No. Okay, what else is here? Yes, it is. I'm on a Mac, I'm not on Windows. Please choose your reboot. Yes, reboot. requesting VMware. Boom, Debian, go, see, yes. And could we do this? Okay, and I'm going to do also this, and I'm going to look Docker Swarm. Do a refresh here. Not yet. I don't see yet them. Okay, so we are going to do Docker, yes, and the password, and I'm going to see my IP. So I have the IP 172.16.192.131. So let's try SSH Docker Docker SSH, yes, Docker at 172 dot 172.16.192.131. Okay, yes, I'm in. Password. Yes, I'm in. Woo! Yes, perfect. This is good.